Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your hosting or domain to Lovable AI. First, log into your Lovable account. Once you're in, click on the drop-down beside your project name, and then go to Project Settings. After that, open the Domains tab. Here, click on the Connect button to add an existing domain, and then click Continue. Lovable will now ask you to enter your domain. So, open your Hostinger account. On the left panel, go to the Domains section. Click on the domain you want to add, and then copy it. Next, go back to Lovable. Paste your domain in the field, and click Continue. At this point, Lovable will ask you to log into your Hostinger account. Once logged in, it will provide you with the DNS record that you need to add. Now, switch back to Hostinger. On the left panel, go to DNS or Name Servers. Click on Add Record, and then enter the exact records that Lovable gave you. After adding one record, click Add Record. Repeat the same steps for the other records as well. Once you're done adding all the records, go back to Lovable and click I have added the records to confirm. And that's it. Your Hostinger domain is now successfully connected to Lovable AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.